Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, 2018 Equinox. Vehicles in beautiful condition inside and out. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around and then we'll take it panel by panel. 2018, it's got 31,000 miles on it. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Alloy wheels. Black with black interior with a light gray. Really nice combination on the interior. Very nice. It's an LS model. It's got 4 Michelins all the way around. Car drives like a dream. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Front bumpers in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Does have fog lights down there. That's really nice. Headlamps, everything look beautiful. Look at that. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice condition. Grills in beautiful condition. Very nice. This lamp does have a couple little light scratches right here. Nothing major. And I just noticed down here this rubber piece has a little bump right there. Besides that, looks perfect. Take a look at the hood. Hood looks good. No marks, no damage on it. Very clean. Beautiful condition. Front fender on the driver's side. Really beautiful condition there. Clean throughout. Very nice. Super, super clean. Taking a look at the hood. Hood looks perfect. Very nice condition also. Taking a look at the front door on the driver's side. Also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice. Nothing to show there. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. It's got a small little scratch right there that's been touched up. Besides that, looks perfect. Quarter panel on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Very nice condition. Taking a look at the rear bumper. Rear bumper looks perfect. Very nice, no marks or anything to show there. Very clean. Rear hatch in the back looks perfect. Very nice. Glass and everything looks good. This has rear defrost with a rear wiper. It also has a backup camera. You can see right there, it has a backup camera. Very nice features. Taking a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side, looks clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Nothing to show there. Very nice. Taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice condition. Front fender on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Take a look at the windshield. Windshield looks good. Very nice condition. Up above, roof looks good, no damage up there, very clean. Really in beautiful shape. Okay, that's going to conclude our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we're going to take it for a quick test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Looks brand new. Very nice shape. Controls look good. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape overall. Taking a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat looks very nice. Clean throughout, beautiful condition. Does come with a full set of floor mats. Dashboard, everything looks brand new. Look at that. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice. We're taking a look at the door panel on the passenger side. Door panel looks brand new, really in outstanding condition. Very nice shape. Super, super clean. Taking a look at the passenger seat, also in beautiful condition. Really nice. It's got that two-tone color. It's got a full set of floor mats. Dashboard, everything looks brand new. Very nice condition. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seat, also in very nice condition. Really roomy back here. Look at that. Very nice. We're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. Really in beautiful condition. Rear seat on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Seat looks brand new. Very nice shape. We're inside this 2018 Chevy Equinox. Gonna go ahead and start it up. Now this car does have a push button start. So as long as you have the key fob in the car with you, you should be able to start it fine. There's a key fob here. I'm just gonna put it here in the cup holder. Then you gotta press the brake down there on the bottom and then go ahead and press the start button. Starts up perfect. You can see there the screen's turning on. All the little lights come on and off. Let's take a closer look. Mileage on the vehicle is 31,528 miles. Take a closer look there. 31,528. Vehicle has a tachometer, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. It's got also some information in there. This is average miles per gallon. Check that out. Very nice. 30 miles per gallon. That's a trip computer. Okay, range, miles till empty, 128 miles till empty. It's got a timer. Really nice. Look at that. Miles per hour. Let's leave it on that for now. Okay, let's take a look. Turning signals. Front and rear wipers. This is the buttons for the information center. I was just moving. Vehicle does have Bluetooth, so it has a Bluetooth button here to speak and all that. Cruise control on the steering wheel also. Taking a look at the controls for the lights. So it has automatic lights. Very nice. Taking a look at the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nicely equipped. Automatic transmission. Very nice. I believe this one has I'm not sure if it has manual shift modes, but that's the controls there. So this is for the parking brake. Down below here you've got a USB plug for the radio, power supply. It's got the air conditioning controls there. Up above here you got the screen. Let's go ahead and review this real quick. So we're right now on the home page. So you got audio, gallery in case you want to put your pictures here on there. You can connect your phone, projector. That's really cool. You can project whatever's on your phone screen onto there, which is pretty cool. So if you have navigation on your phone, you can project it to the screen. All you got to do is connect the phone to the USB on the bottom, and you'll be able to see whatever's on your phone. You can see it on the screen and listen through the radio and everything. Really cool. Settings. So it's got a rear seat reminder. If you have a small kid or something, you can set that up for it to remind you. Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi. Really nice. Go back to home again. Then the audio. It's got AM, FM. It's got XM radio. Up above here, you see there, you can set up to receive Wi-Fi on it, which is really cool. And then your stations there, you got all your stations. Very cool. So there's your settings there. Let's go back here again to the air conditioning, dashboard. Everything looks brand new, really in outstanding shape. It's like a brand new vehicle. It's got only 31,000 miles. Very nice. Look at the steering wheel in beautiful condition. Up above here, you got a couple courtesy lights there. It's got a sunglass holder there. It's equipped with OnStar. It does have vanity mirrors with lights. Nice feature. It's got a large compartment here for storage and the armrest. Really nice condition. Runs perfect, no issues at all. Very nice condition all the way through. Taking a quick look here, it looks like it has curtain airbags. When you look really close there, you can see the curtain airbags. Really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and and take it for a test drive. Stay tuned. We're sitting inside this 2018 Equinox. Already have it in gear. Let's go ahead and take it for a little test spin. Drives really nice. Tires all the way around are Michelin. Really great tires. They look brand new. Really in beautiful condition. Brakes feel good. Steering wheel smooth. Drives so nice. Good amount of power on there. Feels really good. Going 45 miles an hour. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and test the brakes. Coming to a stop sign here. Oh yeah, it stops really nice. Steering's nice and smooth. Good acceleration. Really quick for a 4-cylinder. And this one actually has the Econo, and then it has a special mode here, which is the auto stop. So when you're at a light or something for a long period of time, it'll shut off the engine, the AC and everything will still run, but that saves you a lot of fuel. Very nice. Coming to another stop sign. That's going to conclude our test drive. But let me show you here what I'm talking about. As you can see there, it says auto stop. So when it gets to that point where you've been sitting for a while at a light or something, it'll go ahead and cut off the engine, and AC, everything else, radio, everything else will still be running, but it'll save fuel because it's not running the engine. Really nice. Okay, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look under the hood, take a look at those tires, and look at the cargo area. Another cool feature this vehicle has, it has backup camera, so when you put it in reverse, automatically the camera pops up here on the screen. And then a cool feature is when you turn the steering wheel, those little lines there will guide you and let you know which way the vehicle is going to roll. Really nice. When you put it back in park, the camera turns off. Cool feature. Take a look at the cargo area. It's clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition. Rugs clean. Down below here, you've got the spare tire. Very nice. And beneath there, you can see that's, I believe, where they have the jack and everything down there. Really nice. Beautiful condition. We'll take a look at the front tire. Front tire is in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. All tires are Michelin. They're all matching. Really in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. We're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks brand new. Look at that tire. Really in nice shape. Very nice condition. Michelin tire. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. Looking at the back tire on the passenger side rear, tire's in good shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. We're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks really nice, really in beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really in nice shape. Ecotech. Engine looks good. Very nice. Super, super clean. We're going to review what was damaged on this vehicle. It was a front end accident. Bumper, hood, and fenders were replaced. Everything's in perfect working order, all original parts. The only slight blemishes that are left in the vehicle is a couple little light scratches on this light here. Down below, it's got a little bump here on this rubber that we did not replace. The other headlamps looks good, perfect, no marks on it. Lower lamp also perfect, no marks on it. The lower lamp on this side also doesn't have any marks on it. And then as far as the passenger side front door has a little bit of touch up here, and a little dimple right there. Besides that, that's the only thing that stayed on the vehicle after the accident. And then if we take a closer look over here, this one here is perfect. It doesn't have any marks on it. Very nice. That's going to conclude our video on this 2018 Chevy Equinox. Really in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thank you very much.